Every generation refined, never rushed. We didn't just change the design, we sharpened the feeling, keeping its soul intact, refining everything around it. This isn't just a return, it's a continuation of everything that made Sanpan legendary. Every curve engineered for motion, every detail rebuilt to make the water feel new again. The 2026 Sanpan by Godfrey. Sanpan's history runs deep, having launched in 1958. With a glance, one can see that Godfrey made it a focus to show what a luxury pontoon should be. Lightweight fiberglass rails were engineered to give the refined look without affecting capacity and performance. The fuel tank was moved to the center of the boat, which improved buoyancy and allows larger horsepower engines to fully tilt out of the water. Stylish custom headlights curve around the front of the boat, giving a distinct look when approaching the dock. Godfrey designed the new Grand Luxe Arch with translucent panels on the side. This power-actuated arch also includes a power bimini. The arch also has optional front cameras with night vision. Another innovation comes from the top rail, which features Godfrey's click and cruise technology. This rail allows accessories to be easily added and easily slid into position where needed. Having this rail, one can utilize the tethers to place fenders where best needed, instead of having to either tie up around a railing or use fender locks. Sanpan also utilizes this rail for securing seat covers and playpen covers, without having snaps drilled along the fiberglass. With push-button operation, Godfrey wanted to not only elevate the look of the door, but also add ease of use. Magnets on the floor hold the gates open without being toe stoppers. The quilted furniture and wide helm seats with ultra-soft vinyls give the elevated feel that shows Sanpan is in a class of its own. Sanpan's cushions feature RENUIT, patent-pending covers which are not stapled, making it easy to replace a cover. RENUIT covers do not require tools and can be done by the boat owner, offering a DIY way to replace a cushion cover without tools or upholstery skills. On the Sanpan helm, the standard windscreen is now glass, and under the helm is a clean look due to having digital switching. A trash receptacle is standard on every Sanpan and can be found on the helm door. Large screens surround the driver, with a 9-inch widescreen and then a 12-inch MFD accompanies to the right. Sanpan was intentional in offering 6 push buttons on the helm for the most used features to help battle the screen fatigue felt by many. Sanpan also features NytCruz, which is the auto navigation and anchor lights. The 2026 Sanpan is available in 3 lengths across 23 total models in either single or twin engine configurations. At Godfrey Pontoon Boats, we can't wait for you to experience the Sanpan.